Witness the magic. Building your first chatbot in minutes. Alright, enough talk. It's time to witness the magic of AI chatbots firsthand. I'm going to walk you through a live demo, building a simple yet effective chatbot right before your eyes. Don't worry, you don't need any fancy software or coding skills. We'll use one of the user-friendly platforms we discussed earlier. We'll start by choosing a template that aligns with a common business need, like greeting website visitors or capturing leads. Then, we'll customize the conversation flow, adding a touch of personality and ensuring it aligns with our brand's voice and tone. You'll see just how easy it is to create a chatbot that engages your audience, provides valuable information, and even guides them towards a specific call to action, all within a matter of minutes. This is the power of AI at your fingertips. Ready, set, automate. Your journey to chatbot mastery starts now. You've just witnessed the power of AI chatbots in action. This is just the beginning of your chatbot journey. Now it's time to take action. Choose a platform, experiment, and start building your first chatbot today. Embrace the learning curve. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and have fun. The future of business is conversational, and AI chatbots are leading the charge. You're future-proofing your business for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start automating.